A very good morning to you children. How are you all? So once again it's time for our GK class, and in GK today we are going to learn about space exploration, that is chapter number 8. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now when I begin with the chapter about space exploration, we should know that what is actually space exploration. So space exploration means exploring or knowing more about space. Now India has done extremely well in the field of space exploration. So India has done so many things. It has launched so many satellites, spaceships, etc. to study more and more about space. Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai is considered as the father of Indian space program. So we have a great scientist named Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who is considered to be the father of Indian space program because he launched so many programs, he prepared so many satellites under his leadership, right? Now in this chapter we are going to learn about some names about the satellites which India has launched, and for every part we have 3 options, and out of those options we have to select the correct one. So let us begin with the first part. As you can see, this is the picture of a satellite, and this was first Indian satellite, and the name of this satellite is Aryabhatta, right? Coming on to the second one, you can see this another picture of a satellite, and this was unmanned satellite to orbit around the moon. So India launched this unmanned satellite, and it was the first satellite to orbit around moon, and the name of this satellite was Chandrayaan-1. In the third part, you can see that first Indian satellite launch vehicle to put a 35 kg satellite named Rohini into the orbit around the Earth. So this is that launcher, and the name of this launcher is SLV-3. The next part, as you can see, it is the first Indian remote sensing satellite. This is the picture of the satellite, and it was India's first remote sensing satellite, and its name is IRS-1A. In the next part, you can see it is first Indian astronaut to go into the space. So the first Indian astronaut who went into the space was Rakesh Sharma. The last one is first Indian weather cum communication satellite. So India's first communication satellite which gave us about, or which told us about weather, and the name of that satellite is INSAT-1A. Okay children, as we learnt about some satellites, let us also learn some amazing facts about some amazing animals which we may not be aware of, but we are going to learn today. That some animals have strange habits that are quite fascinating. So some animals, they have very strange or different habits which are quite fascinating, means they are different from the other animals, and they fascinate us, means they attract us. We find it very nice to learn about these habits. So again we have 3 options. Let us tick the correct one. The first option is it lives on a diet of blood. So we are talking about an animal which lives only on blood, and that animal is vampire bat. So this bat does not eat anything except blood. The second is it throws bright colors when attacked. So this animal, when it is attacked by any enemy or any other animal, it always throws bright colors at that enemy, and the name of this animal is octopus. The third one is it marks its territory by spraying urine on trees. So this animal has a unique feature that to mark its territory, it is spraying urine on the trees, and this animal is cheetah. In the fourth one, this animal pretends to be dead to get its meal. So it's a very cunning animal. It pretends to be dead so that it can have its meal or it can attack another animal. And this animal is of course red fox, and we always know that fox is said to be a very cunning animal, right? Fifth one, it rolls in dust to clean itself. So this animal, it rolls into the dust so that it can clean its body, and this animal is a zebra, right? The next one, it exclusively eats eucalyptus leaves. So this animal has a peculiarity. It has a strange thing that it only eats the leaves of a eucalyptus tree, and this animal is a koala. You can have a look in the picture also. This eats only eucalyptus leaves. So children, I hope you have learnt a lot in the GK class today, and you will be solving these exercises in your book, and then you will be revising them. Till then, have a nice day.